Okay, hi guys. So, sabi kanina ni Mary, try ko daw itong crispy. Hindi ko siya na-try, pinadalan ako ni M&M's. So, ngayon, try natin ngayon itong crispy bago mag-perform para meron tayong energy. Sarap. Let's go! Siyempre, water muna bago mag-perform. We're on the way home. Kakatapos lang ng M&M's event. Guys, please don't forget to share the joy this Christmas with M&M's. Let's go! Merry Christmas!